What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. And yes, we are on another demo ride from Victorville, Harley Davidson. But today, we are on this gorgeous 2019 Street Glide CVO with a 117. Oh my god. It is a fun bike. I wish I had this thing out in the open on my own instead of in the group ride where I had to be good. But oh, this bike feels fantastic. It looks gorgeous, this dark color. Oh man, I believe they're calling it Twisted Cherry, but I'll double check and put that on the screen for you guys. This is one comfortable ass bike. It's got a stage 3 audio system, which I only got a little bit of radio, so it may have some static. I'll try to shoot that up at the end of the video for you guys. But it sounded like it had like subs or something. It's got speakers down here, speakers up here, speakers in the back. Like 6 speakers, not including the 4 tweeters it has. Unless there's 2 more tweeters in the back. Who knows? Hopefully I do when I put this on the video and I can put it on screen for you guys. But it's super comfortable, agile. This is gorgeous, gorgeous machine. Very well done, Harley. Very well done. It's the one thing that I gotta give to Harley every time is their paint jobs. I love my matte finish on the Indians that they're putting out, but some of these colors that Harley has, ooh man, I want a dark horse that's not a matte paint. Okay, can somebody give me that? I think the dark horse, like a, and I've said this before, in a gloss with that new gloss black motor, oh man, dreams. But back to the CVO. It makes me keep realizing that I want a bagger. It's comfortable. This thing is sleek looking. I'd like my bars to be a little bit higher. I do like the apes on bikes now a lot more. My mini ones on the bobber feel fantastic. Every time I've ridden the chieftains with their apes, it's always felt really good for me and really good for my shoulders. But no matter what, this is like, oh, I'm in a couch right now, like, and this has a smaller seat on it, which you should be able to see at the beginning of this video, where I get you a nice like shot with the DJI. But you can see the angles here feel great. This thing is just smooth going through these corners, which I didn't have any problem on the Chieftains either. So the only ones I still got to ride are the Road Glide, and I plan on riding that with the 117 today too, and the second like air intake. So we'll see if there's a difference on that one. And I got all this all these ponies and no room to gallop, so this is a beautiful ride they've been taking us out on. This is my 3rd go around, and I got a couple more scheduled already to take out before heading home. But I really, like, I kept seeing pictures of this one and I was like, I gotta take that bike out. It's gorgeous. It's got the motor. It ain't all show. It's definitely got a lot of go. Alright guys, we're jumping on the freeway, so we're heading back to Victorville, Harley Davidson. And like always, you guys stay safe, stay classy.